I'm aboard a 43-foot boat and would like to look at the alternating current or shore power / generator power aboard the boat. Looking here to my left, you can see the alternating current, 114.2 volts on leg number 1. I'll flip it to leg number 2, see what the voltage is there. Here we go. Also 114.2, so both legs of shore power coming into the boat are equal voltage. Flipped it back over to leg 1. Looking over here at the DC panel, direct current, or the batteries, they're 27.24 volts. So these are 24 volt batteries, not 12 volt batteries. And we've got the port battery and the starboard battery, so let me flip that and see what that looks like. And for some reason the port battery is not registering, so I don't know if it's hooked up or not hooked up. If it were at 0, maybe something would not work in the boat, like the lights or the starters on the engine. So let's go back over here to the starboard battery, and we're at 27.24 volts. So we will have to look into that. DC controls right here. That's the drinking water, the sewer overboard pump, that's macerator, port engine power, starboard engine power for starting either of the engines. And now here is the 240 volt alternating current distribution panel. So here we're on shore power. We would have to turn that down, slide this across, and flip that up to put us onto generator power. Now we've got branch or leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. So that would bring us power to the air conditioners, the water heater, the house, and anything else needing 110 or 220 volt electricity. Down here is the inverter. So if this inverts from the batteries, and if we're not using the generator while away from the dock, it will invert power from the 24 volt batteries. See, they're fully charged at 27.4 volts, and they will make 110 volt electricity out of the batteries. Over here, this is the generator, Onan brand generator. So this is the start button and the stop button down here at the bottom. And then we've got some warnings about carbon monoxide poisoning while you're underway. And the most important part to everybody down here in Florida, the air conditioner, 66 degrees Fahrenheit. So we want to keep our boats cool, because most all power boats have got large windows, giving you great visibility, but the problem with the large windows is the sun comes in and it heats up the boat interior. If you want to learn more about electrical distribution systems on power boats, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.